Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Skype for video conferencing. So first, we need to have a Skype account. As of now, I am logged into my Skype. The next thing we will do is click Meet Now. And after that is to host a meeting. Then it will prompt a menu where we can set up our meeting. First is to have your name for the meeting. So you can type your own name or just simply click on the options below. So for now, we'll click virtual party. Next, we'll add our participant. So click add Skype contacts. Then click Done. Then now, you can see that we have two options. We have Open Chat and Start Call. So when you click Open Chat, it will show a group chat where you can message the participants. And when we are ready, we can just click Start Call. You can mute your mic and turn off your video or turn it on whatever you are comfortable with. For that, click Start Call. Now we will just wait for the others to join our meeting. And that's how you use Skype for video conferencing. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.